The amazing Kaaba in Mecca. The Kaaba is a big black building in the Masjid al-Haram, the Great Mosque in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It's very special to people who follow the religion of Islam. Here are some interesting things to know about the Kaaba. First, the Kaaba is a cube-shaped building made of black stones. It's located in the Masjid al-Haram, the Great Mosque in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Second, Muslims from all around the world face towards the Kaaba when they pray. Fact: they do not worship the Kaaba, but they are ordered to face there when worshiping. Third, people visit the Kaaba for Hajj or Umrah. One of the worship agendas is to walk around it 7 times. The Kaaba is an important place for Muslims, and it's been there for a long, long time. It's a symbol of unity and devotion for people who follow the religion of Islam.